Yeah. What are you doing, little man? Griffey. You want to dig in the gravel? There you go. Show them gravels who's boss. Yeah. Show them gravels who's boss. There you go, buddy. Oh! Yay! Yay! Yep, there you go. What you got? You spreading the gravels for us? Huh? Spreading them gravels for us? Yay! There you go.
Getting so hot.
Yeah, there's a car. Yeah. That's Uncle Ray's truck. That's Uncle Ray's truck. Don't worry, you ain't gonna hurt the paint job. Huh? Uh-oh, he's going after the Jeep. There you go. You ain't gonna hurt that old Jeep either. Boots. Hang on, Bailey. We'll take you in. It's getting hot out here. Whee! Oh yeah, there you go, buddy. Dig right in there. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. There you go. My grandson Griffin, ladies and gentlemen. He's helping his papaw spread the gravels in the driveway here.
Don't step in the poop.
Wait for us, Boots.
Come on.
Come on. I'm right behind you.
Come on.
Ah, shade. There we go. Huh?
Hasn't been this way before, has he?
Pull these drawers up there, Meemaw. Slow down there, fruit of the loom.
Wait just a minute. Whoa, whoa.
Let Meemaw pull your drawers
Pull
up.
your underwear up.
There you go. Okay, we're following. Oh, no. Let's go
Come
on.
on, let's go this way.
Come on. Now let's go this way. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. It's cooler out here. Found a stick.
Griff. Here. Watch here.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Here you go.
There you go. Oh, here we go. Let's race. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Huh? Oh, he's cute. He's trying to get ahead of him. Here's Mama. We gotta go back and get Mama. Mama. Who is that?
Yeah. That old jacuzzi needs to
Who is that?
be sold or something. Boy, are you getting your little shirt dirty there. Alright, we're gonna have to go in. It's getting really, really warm out here. Okay, well. Alright.
Huh?
Good job.
What is it? Baby.
Wait by, Griff.
Got the baby. There he is again.
Yay! There you go. Yeah, pitch him right over in that
Who
yard.
is that?
Ah, good one.
Can't get close enough.
We're gonna have to get you in the house, buddy. You're sweating.
Yeah, who is that? Is that the baby? There he is
In the
again.
gravel pile. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Uh-huh. Yay! Clap your hands. Oh, that one didn't make it all the way over. There, good job. Now you ready to go in? You little, yay! You little outdoorsman.